loves, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a Boxy charm unboxing. So I actually just got home today, like a few hours ago, and in my mailbox was this beautiful box. This month I opened it, of course. My sister was here, so we kind of just opened it together. She's like, but why you didn't let me know? Because she's sitting in my house taking care of my puppy. She's like, why you didn't tell me your box was there? I would have opened it for you. So today's theme is totally Boxy charm. We get today's theme. This month's theme is totally Boxy charm. So this is what the box looks like. Now let's just open it. It looks like there's not a lot of things, but there is. Kind of, sort of. So if you don't know what Boxy charm is, it's a monthly subscription box for $21 a month, and you get 4 to 5 full-size products valuing over $100. No, this is not paid advertisement, but I kind of wish it was. So we're gonna start off the box. We're gonna start off with these cute little I don't know what they're called, glimmer shadow. So these are by Ace of Beauty. I got 2 of them. I was so excited when I opened the box and I saw these because it was between this and something else, and I wanted this so badly. They had 2 different shade options and I got the one I wanted. So the first one is this beautiful like purple plummy. Look at that. Look at that. So pretty. So pretty. And I felt like I did a light swipe. It wasn't nothing crazy. This is in the color, I need my flashlight. This is in the color Huckleberry. Huckleberry. That's such a cool Huckleberry. The second one is in the color French Vanilla. I'm kind of surprised they called this one, but this is like a silver sparkly. I don't know if you can see it, but it's so pretty, so pretty, so pretty. This is what it looks like. Nice. Now, these were valued for, oh wait, I'm missing something. Should I have something else that I didn't notice I had? So I got 5 products. The Ace Beauty Shadow Duo, they're retailed $25. That's already more than what the box costs. Next I got the Big Eagle Tarte mascara. I never have to buy mascara because Boxy charm literally always sends me a new mascara like every other month, which I'm not complaining, but you know. This is what the packaging looks like. I'm not gonna open it because I'm not gonna use this anytime soon, but I heard it's pretty cool. This is worth $23. Oh my god, that's already $48. And what? But yeah, I'm kind of excited to try this. Next we got this Steve Laurent lip liner. Oh, I'm always down for a new lip liner because yeah, this is a nice color. Reshape. Let's give it a little swipe. Oh, it's like a plummy. That'll be perfect for the fall. It's like a plummy color. It's nice. It's nice. So next we have the Wonder Glow Ahead Illuminating Face Oil. This multitasking beauty elixir instantly hydrates and absorbs into the skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion no matter what skin type you have. I love that BoxyCharm has been giving a lot of skincare, because it doesn't matter how much money you spend on makeup, honey, your makeup will look trash if you don't have good skin. Sorry, not sorry. So this is what it, I'm just gonna, probably won't be able to see it. It's not, oh, it looks very shiny. So last but not least, the star of the box, we have the Becca Hydra Mist Set and Refresh Powder. The Becca Hydra Mist and Refresh Powder is retail for, shut up, $39. That's like almost double the price of the box. I'm telling you, BoxyCharm is the plug. This is what the box looks like. Beautiful packaging. So it says here, to keep me close, to keep me cool. Okay, I don't know how to open this, so I'm not gonna open it. But this is what the package, this is what it looks like. I'm so glad, because I've been thinking how I need to buy a new setting powder, and look, I don't, because BoxyCharm hooked me up. But yeah, so that's it for the box. It looks pretty small this month, but let's add up our total. So the Becca Hydrating Mist and Refresh Powder is $39. Oh my god. The Wonder Glow Ahead Illuminating Oil is $42. Are you freaking kidding me? $42. The Tarte Big Eagle Mascara is $23. The Ace Beauty Glimmer Shadow Duo, $25. I just want you to know we're already up to over $100. Plus the Steve Lawrence lip liner is $15. This box is retailed for $144. How could you not want it? Like, come on. But yeah, guys, I'm super excited to try my new products. I'm super excited to play with some makeup now that I have some free time, and I'm excited for my Boxy Lugs next month. I know it's almost August, it's almost over, but hey, it's still new makeup, right? But yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe, of course. I don't know how to talk today. That's it. And so don't forget, if you like this video, smash that like button. Oh, and of course, hit that subscribe button. Like, come on, let's have some fun. Now let me stop. But yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.